Can't touch this.
No soup for you.
I did not have.
Can't touch this.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Yeah, the 90s was sort of an interesting decade. You know, stuff like the beanie in 110-degree heat, that was pretty common in the Phoenix area. Cell phones were great, you know, if you use them for 2 minutes or less. After that, 16, I think I'm losing. They were kind of like too hot to hold. CDs were amazing. I mean, this is the major step up from tape. Dial-up modems, man, you know, when I think dial-up modems, I think, it looks like there might be a golf course near it. I think the classic is when you're trying to read where you are on a 3-foot wide fold-out map at a red light before it turns green so you know which way to turn. Okay, yeah, 13. Okay. When we were using the clothespin system, it really did in some ways feel like we were stuck in the 90s. This is literally how we would organize our crisis resources in the field. We'd have west side teams, central teams, east side teams. If there was a team that just came up and hadn't had a crisis call yet, we just put them at a 45-degree angle to make sure that they get the call first. When we would get an address or a call, it would not be uncommon to mistakenly estimate that it was on the wrong side of town, send the wrong resource. So I spent a lot of time just making sure we knew where clients were, where our teams were. Being efficient with the resources that we have is incredibly and increasingly important. And we wanted to get out of the 1990s so bad. Every time that we would see a mistake in something that was low tech, like our fancy clothespin system, if somebody would knock them off the desk, no! If they would end up in the wrong order, no! We would love to have had a better solution at that time. It was really important for us to find a better solution. As people become more aware of crisis services in our context, the demand increases.
Just for a minute, let's all do the
I want to leave the 1990s.
Yeah. Can't touch this. Look, man, can't touch this. You better get a height, boy, because you know you can't touch this.